Determine the series is absolutely converged or conditionally converged. First we check the series converge or diverge. That is, it's an alternating series. First we write the value of AK. AK is 1 by K. Then A1, 1 by 1. A2, 1 by 2. A3, 1 by 3. A4, 1 by 4. That is A1 greater than A2 greater than A3 greater than A4, etc. That is AN is a decreasing sequence. AN is a decreasing sequence. First condition satisfied in the Leibniz test. Then second condition, limit k tends to infinity AK. That is limit k tends to infinity 1 by k. That is equal to 1 by infinity. Put k equal to infinity. 1 by infinity. Number by infinity is 0. So limit k tends to infinity AK equal to 0. That is second condition satisfied. First condition is AN is a decreasing sequence. Second condition, limit k tends to infinity AK equal to 0. Both the conditions are satisfied. So the series sigma k equal to 1 to infinity minus 1 raised to k by k is converge. Converge. That is the given series converge. Then modulus of the series. Modulus of the series means sigma mod AK. Sigma mod AK. That is sigma k equal to 1 to infinity modulus of minus 1 raised to k by k. Modulus means taking only the positive values. That is sigma k equal to 1 to infinity 1 by k. We eliminate minus 1 raised to k. Negative terms are eliminated. So we get 1 by k. This series. Next, we check this series converge or diverge. If we get this series converge, means series converge, modulus converge, answer is absolutely converge. Here the series converge, this modulus is diverge, we get conditionally converge. So we check the series converge or diverge. This series is which series? Sigma k equal to 1 to infinity 1 by k. Right, the expansion of the series is 1 by 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 plus etc. Which is a harmonic series. Which is a harmonic series. Or P series with P equal to 1. P series with P equal to 1 is called harmonic series. Then test for harmonic series. Here P is greater than 1, converge. P is less than or equal to 1, diverge. Here P equal to 1. So the series sigma k equal to 1 to infinity 1 by k is diverge. Listen, here the series is converge. The modulus of the series is diverge. Means sigma k equal to 1 to infinity, the given series, is conditionally converge. The given series is conditionally converge.